Okay, hi. So today's gonna be a fun video trying out this freebies I got. I'll let you know if I'm gonna buy full size versions of these things or not. So first thing I have is Kama Kumkumadi cleansing oil, mini one, and the full size one is quite expensive. It's more than 1,500, something like that. So it has to be really good. The ingredients are not bad. They have emulsifiers, then few plant extracts. Strangely, I do not see any essential oils because Kama Ayurveda they mostly use essential oils in their things. Look, it's so tiny. It has this mild herbal scent to it. This is how it looks like. Oh, I'm wearing a lot of makeup today. Yeah, it's emulsifying well. Now it's stinging my eyes. Damn. Oh god, it's stinging my eyes a lot. Okay, let me go and wash my face. I'm coming in a moment. I don't know how I'm gonna go because I have to go there to the bathroom with my eyes closed. I hope I don't fall down. See you. Oh god. Hi, I thought of shooting the video here. It cleaned my makeup quite well. My skin doesn't feel like oily or anything. It emulsifies well. Texture is nice, but it was stinging my eyes a lot. So I don't think I'm gonna be buying this cleansing oil. I prefer Sugandha's this Squalene cleansing oil and or Muji cleansing oil. Those are the things that works well for me. This one, oh no. Alright, next I have the Midul soap free cleanser. Let's see how it works. I think it's kind of a ubtan. You have to mix it with water and you can clean your face like basin. It has oatmeal, neem extract, then turmeric powder, rose flower powder, camphor. This much would do, I think. I don't know. It can work well as a scrub as well, you know, a manual scrub, because it feels a bit grainy in a good way. Okay, the instructions I didn't read. Okay, let me read the instruction. Okay, mix with water to form a paste. Gently apply on moist skin. I'm doing it right then. Leave it for 2 minutes. Okay, so I have to keep this on as a mask for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna keep this like this for 2 minutes. This is interesting. I might buy this. I don't know, I think I'm gonna like it. Okay, it's been 2 minutes and it's kinda dry right now. So I'm gonna like, with my hands, I'm gonna massage this. Very gently. Very gently. It feels nice. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna wash it off. Alright, I'm back and my skin feels really smooth. I love this. I think I'm gonna buy the full size of this Mridul soap free cleanser. It can work as cleanser, face mask and a scrub as well, but I don't see myself using this every day. Twice in a week maybe, but yeah, my skin feels so soft. I love it. God. This is very nice. and you have to use very little amount of it. It goes a long way, and my skin actually feels really soft, really soft. Yeah, yeah to that. Full size product, you're coming my home. So then I'm gonna try their, oh god, I dropped something. Vanna Haldi Chandan Brightening Face Pack. Blend 2 to 3 teaspoons into a paste. Use water or pure rose water from Kama. So they also have given me this small rose water. I'm gonna mix this with this one. Then in the orange peel powder. Okay, orange peel doesn't go that well with my skin most of the times, but let's see how it works here. Then it has haldi, amba haldi, oatmeal and sandalwood oil. They actually use sandalwood oil, not sandalwood powder. And okay, sorry. And mixing it with the rose water. Not buying the rose water though, because this is so expensive. I'll find something, you know, affordable if I have to buy rose water, because there are many brands who are selling good quality rose water in affordable price. It's the thing with ubtan, because you have to use those ubtan on moist skin, otherwise it's not gonna give you the full benefits. I used to apply the ubtan on dry skin. It's very difficult to apply as well, so always apply ubtan on moist skin. Why am I skipping my neck? So I thought it's gonna be the quantity is not gonna be enough, but it's totally enough for my entire face. And I'm gonna keep this like this for how long? They didn't say anything. Oh, they say leave on until the paste has dried and rinse clean. Can be used once or twice in a week. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे ये पसंद नहीं होगी, because I have this feeling it's gonna leave stain on my skin. Let's see. I'm not gonna let it like dry like completely, because when I do that I let the ubtan dry completely. It dries out my skin like anything, which I don't like. So semi-dry would be fine for me. So see you, I think it's gonna take like 5 to 10 minutes to dry, to be very honest. I think so. So see you in like 5 minutes. Alright, so it's kinda dry now, more than I wanted it to. So I'm gonna remove this. I don't know if you can see it or not. My skin looks a bit yellow, not too much, but yeah, and itchy. This area here is itching. So I'm not gonna buy this what is it, Suvarna Ubtan, not for me. So I tried 4 things from Kama. Their Kumkumadi cleanser, money cleansing oil, then this Suvarna face pack, their rose water, and their Mridul cleanser. The only thing I'm gonna buy the full size is the Mridul one, because it made my skin so soft. I loved it. I think weekly facial, this alone would do the job, you know. After using a first cleanser, I can use this as a cleanser, scrub, then face mask. But this one is not for me. Still itching my face. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this to be helpful, and I get like this trial size things a lot. So if you want, I can make videos like this, like should I buy the full size one or not, this kind of videos. If that helps you out, let me know in the comments box, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.